Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. I'm super excited about the day. I decided to come out here by the water with the cannon to take some snaps before I get started with my day. I got some Mo Eno drip on. I got the Abstract Jesus t-shirt on from World Envision, which is one of the New Orleans clothing companies I like to get my t-shirts from. And then I got the Pro Standard Eno Saints hoodie on. It's like one of the high-end, kind of NFL shops that they sell all the hoodies and t-shirts for your favorite teams. Now, the reason why I'm excited about today's video and to take y'all with me today is because, one, we got buku stuff to do today, and it's gonna be a little productive day. We're gonna go outside, we're gonna have some fun. And two, I got invited to this new rooftop restaurant that they just opened up not too long ago. And you know how I said 2025 is gonna be all about experiences? I'm still in experience mode, and you might be like, well, how is this particular experience at a restaurant gonna top this big yacht you was just on last week? And what I say to that is, I think this particular event is more so about the opportunity versus the experience. So we'll see if we get that opportunity today. Like I said, it's gonna be a fun day. It's gonna be a productive day. I got some packages scheduled to arrive today, and there's one particular one I can't wait to unbox this one with y'all. And then we're gonna do a little bit of shopping to try to get ready for the event, and we just gonna have fun today. So let's go.
What's down all up lately? I've been up a lot. What's turning up, but watch me turn it up a notch. I keep it low, no, I don't like those busy spots. But if you know me, then go hold me up a spot. Old top, I don't rock, how you rock? Keep it stocked when I'm on go, cause I don't stop when you stop. I could never fly, hit the top when I drop. Catch a wave, make it hot, I like grease, make it pop.
So we have made it to the outlet. The fucking birds in full effect right now. First order of business is to try to find clothes. Well, not necessarily clothes. Well, yeah, clothes, but not a whole outfit, but just like some pieces. Cause I'm put on like a little suit or whatnot, but just some pieces like a nice shirt. If necessary, probably some shoes. I've been eyeballing these shoes at the Cole Haan store. So maybe some shoes, but definitely a shirt. And I have like some black Calvin Klein pants or some gray Calvin Klein pants that I have already. So let's go in the Calvin Klein store and see if we can get something out there first. I feel like I'm kind of striking out already. I don't have no dress shirts over here. So I guess that's gonna be a negative Ghost Rider on the CK store, cause they ain't have no like long sleeve button down shirts. Like the shirts I usually wear from CK is the button down kind of slim X fit. So I might end up having to still go to Macy's to go and get those. So
Stuff out the outside of the mall.
X-nay on the CK, and then I guess we're gonna go and look at these Cole Haans just to see if this is it. So that might actually take a few minutes longer than I wanted to. So we're gonna circle back on the shoes and the shirt for the event a little bit later. Meantime, I went to the UPS store and picked up my packages I've been waiting for the event. And this one particular one, we gonna open it up together, but one of them already know, well, both of them I know what they are already, but just one of them I have not opened just yet. So we're gonna open that one last after we look at the first package first. And probably not a big surprise to y'all, but for me, they knew, so let's go. So in this first box right here, I ordered some caps, some hats from Fanatics and Fanatics and New Era, because I was running low on hats and I just need to replenish my stock. So I got some more Saints hats and Pelicans hats. So I have this first one right here. This is the Saints beanie. It's the Salute the Service one. The Saints thing right there came from New Era. Salute the Service. Shout out to all the vets out there. But I needed a beanie anyway, because you know, wintertime. This one is the Saints Nickelodeon hat, the special edition one. I saw this. I never really get special edition hats. I really don't be getting a chance to get them before they sell out. So I took the opportunity to just get this one as soon as it came out. So this is the special edition Saints Crucial Catch special edition, and I got two more. I needed a new white Saints hat, so this is it right here. For some reason they don't have these all the time either, so I got a black Saints hat. This is what I'm really excited to open because these are Carrera shades that I ordered directly from Carrera. Now, the reason why I'm excited about them, one, because I never ordered them directly from Carrera, and two, I don't know how they're gonna look on my face, so I'm more probably anxious than excited. But let's open these shits up and see how they fit. So we gonna use some keys today because we didn't really come prepared for like box opening stuff. And again, I never ordered from Carrera themselves, but it looks like they didn't put them in the case themselves, which is weird. So it came separate outside the case, if you could see that, which that's a weird decision because what if they break outside the case? Let's put these on. Jesus, how they look. Oh, they looking fire. Oh, they looking smooth. What y'all think? It's hot out here too. My field towel in the car. But what y'all think? Are they smooth? I mean, they dark as hell, but I like them. I wanted these specifically because I knew I was going to that event. So I wanted something that was going to be a little bit more sleek, you know, with the metal frames. I don't usually like the metal frames, but you know, we got to switch it up, you know, and do some stuff a little bit different. But let me know what you think, and I'll give y'all a close-up of them later.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now, top corner talking home. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in.
Dog, I hate going to outlet malls. One, this mug low-key kind of bunk. And then I hate going to outlet malls around the holiday time. Whack as shit.
Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling. Doubted when I lost, slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose so thick and thin. Battles and the scars, see them on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end.
If there's one thing I hate about shooting in Naples or being in Naples as a whole, is the weather. People seem to think it's just always, not gonna rewind. It is beautiful, but it's just always hot. I probably mentioned that before in another video, but right now it is 85 degrees and it says it's fair. Even though boy right here is saying it's hot. It's not fair. It's some breeze blowing right now, but it's hot. 85 degrees, bro. By the time y'all see this, I'm shooting this right now, and by the time y'all see this, it'll probably be late. The thing is, it won't change the weather because it's still probably gonna be 85 degrees. And it's a lot to say that I need to put a suit on in 2 hours.
really, really excited to have you all here.